Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with grammar structure of Unit 9, which is about present simple and present continuous. So let's get started. Present simple and present continuous. There are two sentences here. I speak English and I am speaking English. What is the difference between these two sentences? So I speak English is in present simple tense. I am speaking English is used in present continuous tense. So when do we use present simple and when do we use present continuous? Let's look at each one. Present simple tense. We use present simple tense for facts or things that are always true or generally true. For example, whales live in the ocean. This is a fact. This is always true. A dog has 4 legs. This is generally true. Unfortunately, some dogs have 3 legs or less, but in general it is true. It rains a lot in winter. It is also generally true. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. This is a fact. Just like the fact that water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. The present simple tense is also used for regular habits or repeated actions. They are often daily routines and they happen always, often, generally, every week, etc. For example, I brush my teeth 3 times a day. I read in a bed every night. She goes to the gym after work. He walks to school every day. So as you can see, all of these sentences express your regular habits or repeated action that you do every day. So let's look at the common time expression which is used in present simple tense. Always, often, generally, sometimes, never. Or every day, every week, every year. Note that the time word is in singular form, day, not days. Once a day, twice a week, 3 times a month. Then the rest are 4 times, 5 times, etc. So now let's move on to another tenses which is present continuous tense. So we use present continuous tense for an action happening right now at the moment of speaking. When somebody is doing something right now or something is happening right now. For example, I am teaching an English lesson. Yes, that is what is happening right now. You are watching a video. Yes, that is what you are doing right now. You can see that this sentence are happen right now and they are temporary action normally for a short period of time. So now let's go to another usage. Number 2. So we use present continuous tense to talk about something that is happening around the time of speaking, but not necessarily at this exact moment. This action is in progress and hasn't finished yet. For example, I am reading a great book. It doesn't necessarily mean that I am doing it right now, but it refers to this moment of my life. I have started reading this book and I haven't finished it yet. Another example, they are staying at the local hotel because the roof of their house was damaged during the storm. This sentence doesn't mean that they are at the hotel right at this moment. Maybe They are at work right now or somewhere else. This situation is temporary. Let's look at another example. Jack is learning Italian. So it also doesn't mean that he is learning the language right now at the desk with all of his language book. So it refers to this moment of his life. So now let's move on to the common time expression used with present continuous. So we have now, right now, at the moment, still. Move on to the beginning of this lesson, the two sentences. I speak English and I am speaking English. So I speak English is used in present simple tense. I am speaking English is used in present continuous tense. So when I say I speak English because it is a fact, I generally speak English. So we use present simple tense in this sentence. But when I say I am speaking English, I refer to what I am doing right now. It is temporary action because in the moment I might start speaking in Khmer. So we use present continuous in this sentence. Let's compare these two sentences. I live in Cambodia. I am living in Cambodia at the moment. So the first one we use in present simple and the second one we use in present continuous. So when you say I live in Cambodia, refers to the things that don't change for a long time. I plan to live in Cambodia for a long time and I don't plan to change soon. It is more or less permanent. But when I say I am living in Cambodia at the moment, this situation is temporary. Next month, I plan to live in different country. Another example. It rains a lot in winter, which is used in present simple. It is raining right now. It is used in present continuous. So when I say it rains a lot in winter, I use this sentence in present simple because it is the facts. It is generally true. And it is raining in right now is used in present continuous because this is happening right now. It is in progress. It will not continue forever. It is temporary. Tomorrow it might be sunny. So now let's look at this cartoon. What is he doing right now? Yes, he is biting his nails because he is nervous. The first sentence shows the action that is happening right now. He is biting his nails. Does he always do this when he's nervous? Yes, he always bites his nail when he's nervous. The second sentence used in present simple because it is talking about his habit, sometimes that he does when he's nervous. Notice how we use present simple tense with the adverb of frequency, always. So let's compare the present simple and present continuous in affirmative, negative, and question form. So here are the two affirmative sentences. I am eating cereal right now, which is used in present continuous tense. I eat cereal every day, which is used in present simple tense. So the first sentence expresses the action that is happening right now. And then the second sentence, which is used in present simple tense, expresses the habit, routine. So now let's move on to the negative sentences. I am not eating cereal right now. which is used in present continuous. This one, I'm showing that I am not eating cereal right now, I am eating broccoli. The second sentence, I do not eat cereal every day. No, sometimes I have pancake for my breakfast. We use do not or does not to make negative sentences in present simple. In question form, are you eating cereal right now? This one we use in present continuous. So that means that, is this what you are doing right now? Or is this your habit?